Hey guys, welcome back to Faith for Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So we're still on that Foodimentary series, and today we're going to make a quick and delicious treat. Today is September 12th. So for September 12th, the national food holiday is Chocolate Milkshake Day. Yes, chocolate milkshake, yummy, delicious, super popular of course. So I'm going to give you a little bit quick history about the Chocolate Milkshake Day. It was credited to Walgreens soda jerk Ivor Paulson for making the first milkshake in 1922. Yeah. So by the time 1930s got around, the Stephen Popolovsky, okay, that's a mouthful. But anyway, he was the inventor of the blender, which is pretty cool. And of course, we utilize the blender to make the delicious milkshake. So we're going to make a chocolate one today, keto friendly. And the last fun fact is, they say when you drink a cold beverage like the milkshake, you put your tongue, if you get that brain freeze like a lot of people get when they drink it too fast, aka me, put the tongue on the roof of your mouth for like 10 seconds and they say it goes away. Now I've tried this theory, didn't work for me, I still had that headache. But anyway, give it a try and let me know if that works for you guys. So let's go ahead and make our keto-friendly chocolate milkshake. And I made a topping to go on it. So what you'll need is some delicious low-carb chocolate ice cream. And this time we use Halo Top. This is a pretty good popular ice cream out there, great for keto, pretty good ingredients. So there's your chocolate ice cream. I let it sit out for like about 20 minutes to soften up some. Then you'll need, I put about 1/4 cup of whole milk and a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we'll add it to get to the consistency that you like. So if you like a really thick milkshake, of course you add a little less, okay? So we'll pour and see how it feels, how it looks, and the texture that we like, okay? And then if you like, you can also add a few drops of stevia if you want it to be a little more sweeter. This ice cream is pretty sweet, so we'll give it a try and then we'll add more if we need to. I also made some nice rich topping. So that's like a delicious heavy whipping cream topping. And I used about a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, a few drops of stevia, tablespoon of powdered erythritol, and I think that was it. But I'll link it below just in case I missed a step. Alright guys, so let's make that milkshake though. Alright guys, so let's get about 2 to 3 scoops of that ice cream. Let's go for about 2.5 scoops in there, depending on how much ice cream you want. And the cool thing about this Halo Top ice cream, I forgot to tell you, it's only 80 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, 13 grams of carbs, 2 of which are fiber, 5 of which are sugar alcohols, and 6 are sugar, okay? And 5 grams of protein. So it's kind of a low glycemic, good ice cream if you want to have a treat without getting off the ketosis. So you won't get kicked out of ketosis if you eat this generally. It's a good treat to have just in case. It's better than the regular ice cream, that's for sure. Also, 1/2 cup of this would be those calories count with that macros, okay guys? So it's about 4 in this container, okay? So 4 servings. So let me put that down. And then we're gonna add, I'm gonna start with 1/2 of that milk and heavy whipping cream blend. Let me see. I'll pour it all in. I can always add more ice cream. That's one thing about the milkshakes, guys. You can kind of play it by ear, add more liquid if you want. All depends on the texture you like. So let's give this one a spin. That's it. Pretty quick. So, like I said, guys, you can add as much ice cream as you like. It's just the combination of the little bit of milk, a little bit of heavy whipping cream, and that delicious chocolate ice cream. So let's see. Oh yeah, that's nice and rich like I like it. Ooh, drinkable, but not too thick. Sometimes I like it a little thick. All depends on the day. So let's get our delicious whipping cream. Ooh, just getting messy with it because it's going to be so good. Okay, I know that's a lot, but that's okay. You want to make it look pretty. So what I did right here, guys, I took one of these Lily's chocolate bars. This one is 55% cocoa, dark chocolate. You can get that. They have regular milk chocolate ones, but it's all keto friendly because they make them with stevia and erythritol, which is super cool. But I chopped a little bit up with a knife, and then just to make it look festive, you want to sprinkle them on top. Look at that. Yum. It looks delicious, huh? So let's give it a taste. Where's my straw? I'm kind of liking this. Ooh. Oh gosh, that's really good, guys. Now, I like this, and I'm not even a super chocolate lover, let me tell you, but this is really good. Oh, I got so excited. I'm dripping it all over. Anyway, if you like this video, guys, definitely give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and definitely hit the bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a video. So try this out if you're a chocolate lover. Even if you're not, it's tasty. And remember, you can always switch up the ice cream flavors and do the same. So I'm Rosemarie from Faithful Keto Kitchen. You guys have an amazing, blessed day. Bye.